Welcome to Tilting Futures TV. I'm Rebecca, the curriculum lead. Our alumni come from all around the world. They come from different nationalities, different religious perspectives, different cultural contexts, different lived experiences, different political beliefs, and different language backgrounds. We asked them, what were some of the main issues that surfaced in this incredibly diverse cohort?
Washing up.
Doing the dishes.
Washing up.
Huge pile of dishes.
The washing up.
If we take the issue of washing up both literally and metaphorically, our goal at Tilting Futures is to equip young people with the collaboration skills to work together on issues that they care about. This starts in the community living spaces and then extends out into their apprenticeships. Students reflect on their own self-awareness and their interpersonal and intercultural agilities. Our programme is designed to support students to build those strategies to bridge across difference and to do the hard work together for a better tomorrow. In this workshop, I'll be joined by Tendo, one of our wonderful alumni, and together we'll share the research behind some of these ideas and then have some fun practicing those skills with you. Tendo, over to you.
Thank you, Rebecca. Hi, I'm Tendo. I'm from Zimbabwe, and I was part of the Spring 2023 Take Action Lab inaugural cohort. So, Rebecca is here to give you the theory and the pedagogy, more of like the official version of things. And I'm here to give you the student perspective, how things really go down. And together, we'll lead you through some of the activities we do to support the inner and outer work at Tilting Futures as we prepare young change makers.
These learnings and strategies hold true for any and all programs. So whether the young people that you serve come from the same neighbourhood or from all across the world, this workshop will cover how to encourage collaboration, empathy and perspective taking, even on issues as trivial seeming as doing the washing up. We're really excited to be in conversation with you about intercultural and interpersonal education. Please vote for us, please share this with your network, and hopefully we will see you in March. And that's a wrap from us at Tilting Futures.